Log into the Yeastar LDAP server's management page with the server's IP address. Double-click LDAP server. You can see the existing Phonebook on this page. Click Add to add a new Phonebook. Enter Phonebook name, then click Save. Click Edit icon to add new contacts. Enter the nickname, mobile number, office number and other information, then click Save. Log into the phone's management page with the phone's IP address. The default login username and password are admin. Click Phonebook. Enable the LDAP function. Enter LDAP label, LDAP name filter and other information. Enable LDAP lookup for incoming call and LDAP sorting results, then click Save. A new directory on the phone's screen, then you can see the Phonebook and contacts that you added.